If studying feels like torture, you're doing it wrong. But what if I told you there are ways to make it feel like a game instead of a chore? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to make studying less boring, and maybe even fun.
Dear view, don't forget to like the video. 1 tip: set goals and rewards. The first tip is to set goals and rewards for yourself. Break down your study sessions into small achievable goals and reward yourself after completing them. The reward can be anything you like, such as a snack, a short break, or watching an episode of your favorite show. 2. Study with friends. Studying with friends can make it more enjoyable and productive. Create a study group and meet regularly to discuss the topics. Share notes and ideas. You can also challenge each other with quizzes or games related to the subject you're studying. Tip 3. Use interactive learning tools. Interactive learning tools can make studying more engaging and fun. You can use educational apps, online games, or interactive videos to learn the concepts in a more interactive and entertaining way.
Imagine you're juggling multiple online accounts, whether for business, social media, or research. Keeping them organized and avoiding flags or restrictions can be a real headache. That's where Gologin comes in. Gologin, the best browser for managing multiple accounts.
Tip 4. Change your environment. A change of environment can make a huge difference in your study routine. Try studying in a different location, such as a library, a park, or a coffee shop. You can also change the lighting. Add some plants or decorate your study space to make it more inviting. Tip 5. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks can improve your focus and prevent burnout. Schedule short breaks in between your study sessions to recharge your energy and refresh your mind. You can take a short walk, or do some stretching exercises. Tip 6. Create mind maps or diagrams. Creating mind maps or diagrams is a great way to visualize complex ideas and relationships between concepts. It also helps you organize your thoughts and remember information more effectively. You can use colors. Tip 7. Take practice tests. Taking practice tests is a fun way to test your knowledge and see how well you're doing. You can create your own quizzes, use online resources, or find sample tests related to the subject you're studying. This technique also helps you identify your strengths and weaknesses and focus on areas that need improvement. Outro. So those were some additional tips on how to make studying fun. Remember, everyone learns differently. So find the techniques that work best for you. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to make studying more enjoyable and effective. If you have any other suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching.